Penny Ling? Penny, I'm...
Blythe, before you say anything, I have something I need to get off my little panda chest. I don't like the outfit you designed for me. I can't wear a man's suit. I'm a pretty panda, and I want to wear something pretty.
Do you mean pretty like this? This is the outfit I made for you to wear.
It's beautiful.
Penny, I'm sorry I was so wrapped up in my own problems that I never even noticed my mistake. But if you had told me how you felt in the first place, then these past few days could have been a whole lot easier.
Blythe, here you are. You're a designer extraordinaire.